PTE Help, repeat sentences and write from dictation. Test 9.
Of course, however, evolution never stops.
The directions will indicate how many points you can receive. After each conversation or lecture, you will hear some questions about it.
I should first tell you that there are two different kinds of bluefin.
PTE Help, repeat sentences and write from dictation. Test 9.
Answer the questions based on what the speakers state or imply. You may take notes while you listen.
It should be here in a week or two.
PTE Help, repeat sentences and write from dictation. Test 9.
Apparently, before 1900 there was another kind of bird.
You may use your notes to help you answer the questions. Some questions have special directions, which appear in a gray box.
Do you have the introductory psychology textbook in stock?
PTE Help, repeat sentences and write from dictation. Test 9.
The bird is experiencing changes in its environment.
In some questions, you will see this icon. Most questions are worth 1 point.
Sometimes it can take up to a month.
PTE Help. Repeat sentences and write from dictation. Test 9.
This means that you will hear but not see part of the question.
There won't be any more till next semester.
That would be great. Except, how long would that take?
But if you're not in a big hurry, I could order a copy for you.
PTE Help. Repeat sentences and write from dictation. Test 9.
We have weekly quizzes in that class.
All of these honey creepers have evolved in a highly specialized way.
If it only takes a week, that won't be a problem.
PTE Help. Repeat sentences and write from dictation. Test 9.
Before humans arrived, birds were the dominant species. There are something like 50 species of birds belonging to this family.
The largest bluefin ever caught was 679 kilos.
PTE Help. Repeat sentences and write from dictation. Test 9.
Changes in the environment have put them at risk. The species is adapting to its new environmental circumstances.
PTE Help. Repeat sentences and write from dictation. Test 9.
These fish are known particularly for their size and for their long migratory patterns.
The city can be up to 6 degrees Celsius hotter than its surrounding areas.
They are named according to which part of the ocean they occupy.